Hi everyone. So welcome to the online classes. So today a new topic, that is synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers. So in this class we will discuss about fibers, uses of fibers, and two types of fibers: natural fibers and artificial fibers. So now the first thing, so I will write some of the names of the object here. Just focus the first word: cloth. Cloth, rope, silk sari, tie pin, socks. Okay, these are the some of the objects here. These objects are made by a thing. That thing is said to be fiber. So here fiber is a object which having elasticity property or elastic property. By that fiber we can prepare these things: cloth, rope, silk sari, tie pin, socks, even though our some of the other things. Okay, now I will show some of the objects here. Just look at these objects. Okay, here the first one, just look at the pictures here. The first thing, that is, here just focus on the thing. Okay, just focus here. Here jute bags we are using in our daily life to carry materials. So these jute bags are prepared from fibers. Here these jute fibers are received from the plants. This is a one example that here from the plants we can obtain a fiber. That fiber is utilized for some other basic purposes. Okay. Second example, just focus here, focus on the diagram. Here an human being wear winter t-shirts or some other winter cloths made by woolen. So some of the sweaters are also made by wool here. So this fiber is obtained from animal being. This is the example number 2. Next, example number 3. Here just focus gunny ropes we are using for different purpose. Here gunny ropes are made by fibers. So these fibers are obtained from plant. That means there are some fibers here. You can see some fibers which are derived from, or we can take them from living beings. We are taking those things by living organisms. Yes. So these type of the fibers are said to be natural fibers. Here natural fibers means the fibers which are obtained from living beings. It may be from the plants or it may be from animal being. So those fibers are said to be natural fibers. Okay, here the use of the fibers are wide range of use are there. Wide range of the uses of the natural fibers are there. So these are used for making large variety of, so these fibers are used in the making of large variety of household articles. That means some of the household articles are made by these fibers. Okay, so for example cotton t-shirts. Cotton t-shirts are the t-shirts which are made by cotton. Cotton is a natural fiber. Next, here silk sarees. Silk sarees are made by the fiber that is called silkworm. It is an insect, silkworm. By the silkworm we get silk. So this silk is also a natural fiber. Okay, I think you got the idea about which are the natural fibers. Okay, now the second variety that is called artificial fibers. The first natural fibers, second one artificial fibers. Here artificial fibers are also said to be synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers. The name is derived from the Greek word that is polymer. The synthetic fibers are derived from the Greek word polymer. Here poly means many, mer means part. Many part is the meaning of polymer. Okay, here artificial fibers are prepared by human beings in the factory, that each and every particle is a chemical substance. Now I will show one image here. I will show one image. Just observe here. Here there are some things we can see. Here is a toothbrush and rope, socks, and again here we can observe woolens, bundles of woolens are there, and if you focus here, our door curtains. So these are all made by human being in the factory. They are prepared by chemical substances. Then that types of the fibers are said to be artificial fibers. Okay, so what are artificial fibers? Here artificial fibers are the fibers are made by human being in the factory. Here each small unit is actually a chemical substance. Just focus here. I will show one more image to you. So one more image for you. So yes, here just focus. Okay, just focus here. You can observe here a bunch of weeds. We can observe here the bunch of weeds. Here the individual bead is a chemical substance. Okay, it is made by human being in the factory. That's why the group of bunch of the bead. If you take an individual bead, individual bead is also a chemical substance. Just focus another diagram here. It is the group of terpene. Terpene, have you heard the word terpene? So this individual terpene is a chemical substance. It is also said to be artificial fibers. Artificial fibers. Okay, I think you got the idea regarding which are the artificial fibers and which are the natural fibers. Here is an activity they are given in your textbook, that just name of the some of the articles we are using in our daily life. Those articles, if they are made up of natural fibers, then write natural. If they are made up of artificial, just write artificial. Okay, so I will write one example here. The first one, ropes. Here ropes are two types. So I am writing here nylon ropes. We are using to hang the cloths here. This is made up of chemical substances, that's why it is artificial fiber. Okay, next, second thing, cotton shirt. Cotton shirt is made by cotton is obtained from the plants, that's why it is a natural fiber. Third one, terpene. So terpene, it is a chemical substance, that's why it is artificial fiber. So the fourth one, silk sari, it is made by the silkworm. It is a living being, that's why it is natural. Simple. Natural means it is obtained from living being. Okay, gunny bags are prepared from gunny plants, that's why here it is a natural means simple, they are made or they are prepared from living beings, plants and animals. And artificial fiber means they are prepared by the chemical substances in factory by the human being. Okay, now next, there are two types we will discuss here, artificial and natural fibers. Here I will write some of the examples for artificial fibers here. Just note down: nylon, terylene, rayon. Have you heard the word polyester? These are all examples for artificial fibers. Okay, so this is regarding our class. So new users, just subscribe our button and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Okay,